Oh boy. Somehow my pancakes are like biscuits. Whoops. I am sneaking to a quiet place right now. Today I am getting ready to take a shower, and we are pretty open door in our house, and my 4-year-old daughter walks in, and my 4-year-old daughter points to my chest and she says, "Mom, why are those brown?" And her question is so innocent and curious, but I had a hard time not laughing like an immature adult. And I was trying to think of how to explain the story, because the words maturity and developing, and those are just big concepts at the age of 4. So I told her that her body is like a plant, and when you get older and it grows and it grows, eventually it becomes a bloom like a flower. And so like a hippie, I told my daughter that my chest develops like a flower. It was a concept that totally made sense to her. She was like, "Oh, okay." I don't have one of these nice car seat covers that go higher, so I took a fitted crib sheet and then bunched up the rest with the hair. Does this make me like the world's most redneck mother? Uh-oh, she lost her passy. Hi, baby. Hi. I let them wash the cart every time we're at the grocery store. No germs. Oh boy. Mariah. What are you doing, silly? Come on, Mariah. I see you. Wow, look how high you are. Go twisty slide. Go, go, go. Come on. Whee! Oh. Dirty.
I went down with that. And then I went back up.
I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. There she is. Slide. Whoa. Oh, your butt. Okay, go again. Must not have been too bad. Where do you think you're going? Peekaboo. Whee! Ta-da! Good job. I don't know what you're saying. I'm watching. It's pretty slippery in cowboy boots.
No.
No, good idea.
No.
Let's try a different spot. Hi, Mariah. Hi, cutie. Hi. Hi.
This is I am.
Yes?
This is. Come on, Mom.
Okay, I'm coming. I'll get you. I'll get you. Could get you. Could get you.
Mommy.
I'm liking watching you. Never been to this park before. It's a really nice one. You can do it. Nice.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming. Go, go, go. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, I'm getting old. I'm too old for this. Oh gosh. I don't really fit. Oh boy.
Yes.
Alright, this is your task. Go get a couple leaves and come back. Go. And that's how you homeschool.
You are not.
Okay. How many leaves do you have, Chloe? How many leaves do you have, Ethan? Count your leaves. Figure it out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lay them all out. There, nicely. Nice job. Now how many is there? Count them all, even Ethan's too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Drop off your 2 sticks. I told them both to get 2 sticks. So now how many is there?
2, 3.
What a nice little lunch we're having outside today. And the flowers, this is the lady gave us at the grocery store. Ethan is using abcmouse.com on our tablet.
Lay down.
I really like using abcmouse.com because I have a profile for these 3 children. You can do up to 3.
Don't follow me.
So that has some really sweet value for our family. And after seeing how they structured the activities on the program, I really started to dig it. So if you're interested in that, check it out. It's my...
No.
It's really loud right now. Can you guys turn it down? It's fine. Can you sit, please? And so far I dig it. It's a really easy way for me to be like, go to school. Use the tablet. Do what works for you. Something is better than nothing.
His best pirate pose. His cat, Chip, jumped up next to him. "Chip ahoy! We're off to sea!" Peter shouted in his best pirate voice.
Look what my kids did today. They ripped off the 6 button and then, according to them, stuck it inside a tape measure. Yes, they say it's in there. They say they stuck it right in the hole in there. Kids, come on. Please tell me in the comments what your kids did today. I'd love to hear it, that I'm not alone. Alright guys, we had a nice day. I am going to review a couple books for Usborne and get those videos uploaded and get some other stuff done. So, have a good night. Thanks for watching. Before you go, I want to tell you a little trick about babies. When babies fall down and you're holding them like this up at your chest, you know, that burping position, it can be really hard to get them back down on their back, to put them down. Here's my tricks for you. First trick you can do, roll them to the side. So you have your baby like this, right? Roll them to their side so that they don't get that reflex going on and startles them awake. You can roll them to their side and gently lay them down. The second trick that I have for you. When you're holding your baby up at your chest and you're standing up, this is really hard to do on camera, and you're standing up, when you lean forward to put the baby down, don't extend them away from your body, okay? So don't move them away. Keep them tight against you and maintain that pressure next to your body until you make contact with whatever it is that you're setting them down on. It helps them not get that startle effect. My third trick for you is keep their shoulders and their arms tucked in. Like once they're laid down, you can keep their arms and stuff snugged in so that they don't, oh, my battery's running out. So that they don't get that startle effect and wiggle around and squirm. You can kind of hold their arms next to their body or their chest like this. Good luck, mamas. Hope that helps somebody out there. Somebody's coming out. He loves it when the kids go to bed. So much more quiet. Our house is really chaotic during the day, or ball pythons are nocturnal. It surprises me that he comes out every night because I turn off his basking light at night. Do you guys think I should turn it on at night and leave it on all night instead? Let me know. If anybody has experience with ball pythons, let me know if that's something I should be doing instead. Because with the kids in the house, our house is pretty busy, and I think because he's so shy, he only comes out at night, which is when I turn his basking light off. But boy, do we enjoy him. He's such a sweetheart, guys. I was really afraid to get a snake, but now that I understand more about the nature of his personality, snakes are actually really shy and timid, and not scary at all. We are really thankful that the gal who had the snake before us handled him often because he is so used to it and he's such a sweetheart. We've grown to really trust and appreciate him.